Hi folks, this is Krishna Teja from Packet Code. This is a continuation to the Facebook login tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement logout and as well retrieving little more information like email ID and user image. If you haven't watched the part 1, please go through that before continuing further. Alright, before we jump into the code, let me explain what exactly we have implemented in the previous video. When the user opens the login page, he would see a login with a Facebook link. Once he clicks on it, he would be redirected to the Facebook website where he logs in and authorizes our app. That is what information that app can access. Then the Facebook server returns the control back to the web page. That's it. So Facebook is basically telling you whether the guy is the correct identity. Once we know this, the later part has to be processed by us. So what we're gonna do is, once the user is authenticated, I would store the token in the PHP session so that I need not authenticate user for every refresh. And he can log out by simply removing the token from the PHP session. So let's code it. This is my previous code. Let me fork it a bit. Come to the if loop. Here, once the user is authenticated, add the token to the session. I would use a session variable fb_token. Now slide up a bit and wrap the Facebook session with a if condition. That is, we're gonna create the Facebook session only if it's not created at least once, which can be checked using the session variable fb_token. Now in order to log out, we need to remove the session variable. So for this, let me create a button with a hyperlink that sends logout request. It would be something like this. Echo this button along with the name. Now we also need to capture if the user wants to log out. So at the beginning of the code, let me write an if condition where I will check if there is any request variable. If the logout request is there, then just eliminate the session variable. That's it. I hope this works. Yeah. And finally, let me also show you how to grab the user email and profile picture. Getting the user picture is very easy. We just need to use the graph.facebook.com/the user ID followed by picture. The URL returns the user picture. We can optionally send the width. So let me grab the picture of size 300 pixels. And to access the email, this needs